Okay class, in the previous two videos we have discussed about earthquake, tsunami, volcano and floods. In this video we are going to see cyclone, forest fire and droughts. So we will look into that. After this, once the lesson is completed, you have to read the lessons 2 times at least, so that if there is any term that you are unaware or if I have missed it during the explanation, you can go through it, and if you have doubts then after you can ask me, and then I will also give you blanks that are given at the back of your textbook. You have to write that in your notebook so that you will get to complete your book along with this. So cyclone simple meaning is when the air blows at a great speed, and it is also called storm or whirlwind. And India experiences cyclone every year at coastal areas. Eastern coast especially experiences it every year, and the adjacent region or the region that is nearer to this affected area experiences it if this cyclone is with high intensity, and this means affects the limited area for a limited period of time only. But when they occur, they destroy the houses. You can see it in the picture how it has destructed the entire house. So turn your page. Forest fire. The friction between dry branches of trees and other factors causes forest fire. It causes a great amount of damage to the forest resources. You might have heard in the news now a few days ahead about the Amazon fire, right? So forest fire occurs due to the friction between dry branches of trees and other factors that causes the forest fire. The damage is high to the forest resources. Okay, last one, landslide. So the sliding of large mass of rock material, soil, etc. down the side of mountain or cliff is termed as landslide. So when this rock materials or soil slip or slide to the down the side of mountain, that is known as landslide. Two factors causes landslide is excessive rainfall, when there is high rainfall, or an earthquake or a slight shake on the earth's crust, that is earthquake happens. These two are the two factors that can lead to landslide. In a rainy season, railway transportation in Konkan gets obstructed due to landslide. Okay, when the rainy season comes, the railway transportation through Konkan lines gets stopped or gets problem due to the landslide. When heavy rainfall is there, the places near the mountains slips a little, which makes the buildings to fall. That's this figure you can see how landslide has destructed the places. When such natural disaster happens, it is very difficult to locate the people because they might be under these things. They have to, the searching process gets difficult due to rain, continuous rain. Okay. So I hope you are clear with this lesson. If you have any doubt, you can ask me and try to find more information about this different disaster. You will get to know about more knowledge. Okay, here we have some 4 blanks. I will discuss it with you. The first one is the origin of an earthquake. So the origin, so from where the earthquake starts, it starts from the hypocenter, then reaches epicenter and then to the surface. The second one, the forest resources get depleted due to forest fires. When the forest fire occurs, the forest resources gets destroyed, right? Third one, often dash strikes in the coastal regions of India. It is cyclone that strikes the coastal region every year, and in the eastern coastal line it is experienced every year. Fourth, due to landslide, dash railway gets frequently obstructed. It is Kongan Railway, which is stopped for the reason of landslide. So you have to write this in the book, and question answers I will give you in the group. Thank you.